Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use the triangle pattern in Tradingview by using the built-in patterns tool from the left-hand toolbar. This tool automatically helps us draw triangle patterns clearly without relying on indicators. Triangles are very useful in technical analysis because they show market consolidation before a breakout. This tool lets us spot them much faster. Let's get started. First, open any chart in Tradingview. Choose the market and time frame you want to trade. Triangles can appear on any time frame, so this works for intraday, daily, or weekly charts. Next, look at the left-hand toolbar and click the pattern section, which looks like this. You will see a list of available pattern types. Select the triangle pattern from the list. Once the triangle pattern tool is active, click on the chart to set the first point. This should be a swing high or swing low. Then, click on the second and third points to complete the triangle. The tool will snap to the nearest highs and lows, making it easier to draw accurate patterns. Now, once your triangle is drawn, you can see the converging trend lines forming the triangle shape. This shows price compression, which usually signals a possible breakout soon. Here is how we use it for trading. An ascending triangle has flat resistance on top and rising support on the bottom. We watch for a breakout above resistance for bullish trades. A descending triangle has flat support at the bottom and declining resistance on top. We look for a breakout below support for bearish trades. A symmetrical triangle has converging highs and lows. Price can break out in either direction, so we wait for confirmation. To confirm a breakout, check volume. A strong breakout usually comes with higher than normal trading volume. We can also use indicators like RSI or MA for extra confirmation. Here are a few tips to keep your chart clean. Customize the triangle line colors, thickness, or style by clicking on it and opening the settings. If you make a mistake, right-click on the triangle and select Delete or Remove. Or use the trash icon to remove multiple drawings at once. Use your triangle height to estimate possible profit targets. Measure the vertical distance from the base to the tip and project it from the breakout point. To recap, select the triangle pattern from the left-hand toolbar patterns. Click the 3 points on your chart to draw the triangle. Watch for breakouts and confirm with volume or other indicators. Customize, remove, or measure the targets. Using the pattern tool makes spotting triangles faster and more precise than drawing freehand. With practice, we will start identifying key breakouts quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tradingview tips, and I'll see you in the next one.